Oh, hi! I am Raban M. PEROS, 18 years old, from Dulhogan, Palompon, Leyte, and I am studying in Bachelor Science in Marine Transportation 1 Delta. And I have something to tell about you.
Have you ever wondered why the universe seems so perfectly balanced? Look up at the night sky. Count the stars, galaxies, planets, all follow very strict rules. Scientists have discovered that basic numbers like the strength of gravity and the speed of light fall within extremely narrow limits. Even a tiny change in these values would make life impossible. This careful balance is what we call fine tuning. Now, imagine a ukulele. To produce a nice melody, every string must be tuned perfectly. If even one string is off, the sound falls apart. This precise tuning is much like the fine tuning we see in our universe. Many believe that such perfect precision isn't just a lucky accident. It hints at the work of a skilled, wise hand. Just as a talented musician tunes a ukulele. Many see this as a evidence that God, the magnanimous absolute being, carefully set the universe into motion so that life could exist. Let's now explore another idea: the mind behind every piece of information. Think about the instructions in a book or the code that runs a computer. They are organized and purposeful. In nature, the detailed information in our DNA and the laws of physics is just as orderly. This organized information makes you wonder, where does it came from? It suggests that there is a guiding mind behind it all. Now, let's think about this. When I start a painting, I have clear idea in mind. I choose each color and every brush stroke with care to create a picture that means something. I don't just randomly splash paint on the canvas. The same seems true in nature. The organized information we see, from the genetic code to the laws that govern the stars, appears to be arranged with purpose. Together, these examples tell a story that the universe is likely a finely tuned instrument, a ukulele perfectly adjusted by a skilled hand, and all the organized information in nature, much like a thoughtfully painted masterpiece, points to a guiding mind. This suggests that our world is not a random, but it is made by a God, the magnanimous absolute being. And lastly, while scientists and philosophers continue to explore these deep questions, the perfect tuning of our universe and a clear order of its information invite us to consider that our world might be a deliberate creation, an intentional masterpiece set in motion by a wise and loving Creator.